There are three things that I'm certain of in this life: death, taxes, and that my friend Jamie loves her dog more than anything. Which is why I got her this paw print picture frame. If you know anyone with a fur baby out there that they absolutely love, I would recommend taking a look at this item here. This paw print photo frame is unique because it gives you three different ways to show off your love for your fur baby. In the center, you can show a photo of them, and on the left and the right, you can do two different paw prints, one ink paw print and one clay indentation paw print. The kit gives you everything you need to complete those paw prints. You just have to supply the photo in the middle. Plus you get a few extra things like decorative material for the frame or a different mat, plus different stencils to put the name of your pet in there. Now this kit claims that it's pet safe, easy to use, and easy to clean up, but you know what? Let's put that to the test with Callie the doggo. This right here is a fun gift to give someone if they're looking to honor their pet, remember their pet, or just celebrate their pet. It's fun having all these things around your house, and it's got some cool accents on it. Plus, you can customize it with any creative way you want. You want any more awesome art videos that shows you cool things like this for you and your family or a loved one out there? Check out the videos over to my side where I help you on your creative journey. I'll catch you all later, and of course, peace.